Buckles Girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm rocking a cool song from NEFFEX. Alright, always popular here on this channel, and I know there are many fans out there, so let's go into this Taking Shots song. And it's very simple, 3 chords. I use a capo on 5th. I think that is the absolute best scenario, simple chords, and yeah, it just flows better with that capo on there. So let's do that together on 5th, and with that we have 3 chords, like I said, F, E minor, and A minor. Let's start with the chords. So you have F first, which is a bar chord. So you're gonna place your finger like this on the first fret. You push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And if you have problems or trouble with these bar chords for this specific song, it could actually be enough to just hold the bass strings there. So you can skip that bar if you want to. It's great if you can, but if you don't have like the possibility, or it's so much harder with the bar, then you just use your index finger and place that on the 1st fret E string, and then 3rd A and 3rd D, and that could be enough actually, because we're gonna use the bass strings here. That is what we're gonna work with. So yeah, that's a choice of yours. Now the next chord will be the E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally you have the A minor. You move down 1 string basically, and you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. So there you have the chord progression through the entire song. F, E minor, and A minor. Okay, so let's start with the F part. You're gonna play down, clap, and that's it. And here you really want to get that 1st fret E string in the bass, because that is kind of the melody. Okay, so F and clap. So then you shift to E minor quickly and play 1 down, or actually 2 downs, and try to get that 3rd fret A string on the 2nd down, because that is kind of a melody as well. So the melody for E minor goes open E string and then 3rd fret A string. And I use my little pinky to go around and get that note. It's up to you which fingers you're using, but still that is 2 downs on the E minor and a clap. So like that. And then you shift to A minor and play down, clap, down, down, clap. And here the melody goes on the bass string as well for A minor, so that is the open A. So down, clap, down, down, clap. So all right, so that is 1 round. So slowly goes like this for F, E minor, and A minor. Alright, so if you speed up a little bit, you have that tempo correct for NEFFEX Taking Shots. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. And if you did, feel free to support me here on this channel. Give me a like, subscribe, whatever. See you next time. Play tuned.